To address the issue of an extremely high compressor discharge temperature, indicated by an RF4 occurrence on a higher DC inverter AC, it is essential to understand the common causes of this fault. The fault typically occurs in the outdoor unit and can be attributed to a defective electronic expansion valve or a faulty thermistor. To resolve this issue, the first step is to assess the cooling system's functioning by powering up the unit and evaluating the temperatures at the exhaust temperature sensor. A rapid temperature rise after startup suggests a faulty cooling system. Next, inspect the electronic expansion valve and its associated piping system for any leaks of the coolant. If the valve is faulty, replace it and repair any damaged piping as necessary. Additionally, consider replacing the temperature sensor by disconnecting it from the main board, removing it from its slot, and replacing it if it is broken or its resistance value deviates significantly from the manufacturer's specifications. If neither the sensor nor the cooling system is at fault, replacing the outdoor unit PCB may be the solution. By following these steps, the issue of an extremely high compressor discharge temperature can be effectively addressed.